Welcome, everyone, to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here, especially to all our newcomers. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to share some exciting content with you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of eco-friendly home decor furniture. We'll explore sustainable practices, innovative design ideas, and how you can create beautiful, environmentally conscious pieces for your home. If you enjoy what you see, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Your engagement helps us grow and continue sharing valuable insights. Let's get started. Creating eco-friendly home decor furniture can be both a sustainable practice and a profitable venture. One effective approach is to utilize upcycled materials. For instance, transforming old wooden pallets into coffee tables, chairs, or garden benches not only minimizes waste but also adds a rustic charm to your home. Additionally, glass jars and bottles can be repurposed as vases or candle holders, offering unique decor options that are both stylish and environmentally friendly. Another avenue to explore is the use of natural materials. Bamboo, known for its sustainability and strength, can be crafted into lightweight and durable furniture. Similarly, reclaimed wood offers a distinct character that tells a story while being environmentally conscious. By sourcing these materials responsibly, you can create pieces that resonate with eco-aware consumers. Consider offering DIY kits that allow customers to assemble their own eco-friendly furniture. These kits can include pre-cut materials and easy-to-follow instructions, making the process accessible and engaging. Additionally, using organic cotton or recycled fabrics for cushions and throws can enhance the comfort and appeal of your offerings while reinforcing your commitment to sustainability. When it comes to finishes, opt for plant-based stains and sealants made from natural ingredients. These products not only protect the wood but also align with eco-friendly principles. To market your creations, consider setting up an online store on platforms like Etsy or participating in local craft fairs and farmers markets. This direct engagement with customers can help build a loyal following. Lastly, hosting workshops where participants can learn to create their own eco-friendly furniture or decor can be an excellent way to share your passion while generating additional income. Utilize social media to showcase your creations and build a brand around sustainable living, attracting customers who value both aesthetics and environmental responsibility. By merging creativity with sustainability, you can create beautiful home decor furniture while making a positive impact on the planet. you so much for watching our video. We appreciate your time and support. If you found the content helpful or inspiring, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and subscriptions really help us grow and bring you more great content. We can't wait to see you in our next video.